For this video, I'd like to go over moving items. So I have just a great big block of ground tiles ready to go. So these are items that I can place. So I can place a barrel. So I place my barrels, but what if I wanted this barrel over here? All you have to do is click and hold on it, and then if I let go, anyway. So if I click and hold, now I can drag it around. Let go, and they can't occupy the same space. But so those are barrels, and everything works the same way. Barrels can't be rotated, but some of these item types, like this lamp here, can be rotated. So if I place a lamp, see how this arm is like this? If I again hold on it and let go, here's some rotate buttons in place. So I can choose up to 4. So like for example, these lamps, if you want them to sort of if you don't want to see the arm, you can make it look like more white, or if you like the look of the arm, so on and so on. So I can place, say, this one, place another one here. Now they look nice and opposed and all that. Similarly, let's do some units. Place some units. Little zombie. So once I've placed them, I can hold down and rotate them around the way I want. Have a couple zombies talking to each other. Now let's do signs. Signs have an extra feature. So I place it. As soon as I hold down, notice this. So I can rotate it. Then if I click on here, here is where I can, here is some text. And you can have up to however much. It's not a lot of text. And in general, you don't want to fill the screen with text. We'll get into those design choices a little bit. This is just a quick tutorial about rotations. So let me hit play. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Kill these guys. Okay, so this sign, when I walk close to it, it will auto play that text, auto show, and then it disappears. So if I want to see that text again, I just have to walk far enough away and wait for it to go away. Then I can walk back to it and see the text again. So a good rule of thumb, see how it auto plays? Let's throw a sign right next to the spawn gate. This is kind of one of those annoying things that you should never do. When somebody clicks on your shard, you have the name of the shard playing, you have all this text. Boom, the text is already gone. By the time they really start, maybe they just start running and they never read this. So it's a really good practice to place your signs far enough away so that the user can start the shard and then start moving and reading. So I think that'll do it for this video. Just a real quick video on how to move. I guess as long as I'm here. I've covered this in another video. But this X button is delete. So that's what you can use to delete. And then, say I didn't want to delete, I can undo. And that'll do it. Thank you.